How to add password to files in Windows. Here you can see I have multiple files. Now I want to add password, or I want to lock all the files using password. So first of all, make a folder like this, and then copy and paste all the folder into this folder, or move all the files into this folder. Now open the folder. Here you can see I have all the files. Now it's time to get lock all the files. First of all, take a new files for text document, and then open this file and paste a code. I will give you this code into the description below. Check it out. Now you can change your password. The default password is pass123. You can change it as you wish, and then click to file and save as. Write here password dot bat, and then click to save. You can also select all files and then click to save. Close the window, and here you can see the password option. Now you can delete your text document file, and then again take a folder, new folder. You can change the name like private, and then enter. Move all the files into this folder without this menu or without the password. Now move the files into the folder. Now it's time to lock your files. Double click on the password. Now press any key to continue. Okay, it will be private, not private file. Okay, cut. Go to back and again paste your files here and delete this folder. Now it will work. Click to the password menu, double click, and then if you want to lock the files, are you sure to lock this folder? Press Y and then press to enter, and then again press any key. Now there is no folder. Go to backspace, like this is our folder, and enter into the folder. Now you can see there is nothing. But if you click on the password menu, then you will see the option like this one, and now it's time to press your password. After pressing password, just click to enter, and then again click to enter. Now here you can see the files is available. And that's it. You can lock any file using this method in Windows. I hope this video will help you to understand how to lock any files in Windows. If you think this video is helpful, then consider to like, comment, share and subscribe. See you in the next video. Bye.